So I'm Jennifer Raven and I graduated from the Fitness and Health Promotion program. We're actually in the group exercise studio, one of them at the Toronto Athletic Club. I'm the director of fitness as well as the director of group exercise, and I personal train as well. So I do quite a bit here. I actually graduated from university with a degree, and I went and I worked for a few years. And it was okay, and I was doing well, but I wasn't in anything that I was really exceptionally passionate about. And I loved fitness. I'd been teaching group classes and decided that I wanted to get into this full time. I did a whole bunch of research and decided that what Humber actually had to offer was the best program out there. The program was great. I found it really well-rounded. They touched on everything from motivation to the science side of things, biomechanics, the anatomy, physiology, every different aspect of it. So it wasn't just one part and you came out, you didn't know how to apply anything. You got hands-on experience, you got industry experience, and your professors themselves were so knowledgeable. It really prepared me to go into the workforce and actually start right away. We got to help execute the Humber 5K, which was great because it actually helped support a charity, and we got to see all the different facets of putting on an event, which you do a lot in the industry. What makes Humber really different is the fact that you feel, well, I know I felt, and I can see through all the faculty still, that they really truly care about what happens to you. So my future plans are to actually stick with the TAC and the Cambridge group as long as I possibly can. If I can just help and guide and give anyone else somewhat of the experience that I've had or enhance their experience, that's pretty much what I want to do.